Tutorial: How to use the Facebook car extractor, step by step. After starting the program, if we press Start Display before extracting new data, we will see the listings that were previously extracted and already saved in the database. So, if I press Start Display now, it will only show the old data. Nothing new has been imported yet. The program hasn't extracted any new data yet, so it will only display the data that already exists in the database. So, the new data is imported only when we click on Start Extractor. This button will process the files that have already been extracted, and then display the new listings in the table below.
So everything displayed here is from previous sessions. It's data that was already extracted yesterday or earlier.
Now, let's show how it should be done each time, and how to properly start the extractor for the state we want. Now, let's start the extractor for the state of Arizona, and set a price range between $3,000 and $25,000. Make sure to select Arizona as the state. Set the minimum price to $3,000 and the maximum to $25,000. After setting the state and price range, the first button you need to press is Save New Config Search.
After pressing the Save New Config Search button, wait until you see this message on screen.
Next, click on the button Generate YAML Facebook. This will generate the configuration file needed for the extractor to run properly. It's important to complete this step before starting the extractor, otherwise the program won't know what to search for. Now, click on Start Extractor. Now, the extractor has started. Let's carefully watch the console and the screen to make sure everything is working correctly. This will help us confirm that the correct settings were applied, like the price range and the selected state. You should start seeing messages in the console showing which city is currently being processed. In the console, you will see every step the extractor takes. All actions are logged clearly. On the screen, you'll see the actual cars and listings as they are found and processed. This helps you monitor both the background operations and the visual results in real time. Now, let's zoom in to take a closer look at what's happening in the console. Here you can see the details of each step, like changing the city, scrolling, and how many vehicles were found. This is a great way to confirm that everything is running correctly. Here in the console, you can see every step the extractor takes. It shows when data is saved, if any duplicates are found, when it scrolls down the page, and when it switches to a new city. Basically, it logs everything, so you always know exactly what the program is doing.
Attention! Do not close the console or the browser during the extraction process. The program will stop if you interrupt it. If it bothers you, simply minimize it to the taskbar and let it run in the background.
And if this thing stops, that's bad. Really bad. Gotta keep it running. No interruptions. Or no listings for you, buddy.
While the extractor is running, you can press Start Display to view listings. But keep in mind, you're still seeing the old data. The new listings are not yet updated in real time. They will only appear after the extractor finishes and the data is processed. You can wait for the extractor to finish by itself, or press stop manually when you think it's done. Don't worry, if you restart it later, it will skip duplicates automatically, so you're not losing anything important.
Start, stop, start again, stop again. Anytime you want. It's safe. It won't explode, I promise.
After you stop the extractor, remember, this action only stops the background process that was collecting the data. It does not automatically update the listings on the screen. So what you see in the display is still the old data from before. To make sure your list is updated with the newly extracted data, you need to click the blue button labeled Start Extractor. This will process the incoming data and display all the new listings. Keep in mind, the display only shows 50 or 100 results per page, so make sure to click Next Page ... or use the filters to find exactly what you're looking for. Now, let's click the Start Display button.
When you click Start Extractor, it opens a new console window. This console will process all the data extracted by the extractor. Once this process is finished, the new listings are saved and ready. Now, if you go back to the display and click the Refresh button, you will see the updated list with the newest data.
Yep, but don't forget, if you want more listings, just run another extraction. Start the extractor again, set a new city or state, and let it work.